Recolorable Element Tutorial by Sheila using Illustrator. Here are the video contents. Canva Artist Guidelines for Graphics. Creating a 5-colored element. Using Illustrator. Checking if it's recolorable. Searching for keywords in Canva. Contributing the SVG file to Canva. Now let us know the Canva Artist Guide. For all types of illustrations. File setup. File size. Maximum file size is 10 megabytes. And the best size is around 2 to 3 megabytes. For the artboard size. Since we're going to create a vector file, the size should be 500 by 500 pixels. And it must have a transparent background color. Note that artboard size can get bigger, but be mindful of the file size. For the colors, it supports a maximum of 5 colors for recoloring in Canva editor. Here's a tip for recolorability. Canva is equipped with SVG technology so that users can scale elements across the page without pixelation. It also lets users customize the colors of the elements. Let's create the 5-colored element. Open Adobe Illustrator. Click Create New. Make a 500 by 500 pixel size artboard. In RGB color. And 300 ppi. Click Create. Make your workspace as Essentials Classic. Right-click on the pencil tool. Select the blob brush tool, and start drawing on the artboard. Click the Selection tool. And select all your drawings. Then go to Swatches to change the color. On the Object tab, select Compound Path. Then Make. Open the layer and notice that it's now a compound path. Click the eye icon to check if it's all grouped as a compound path. Select the blob brush tool again. And pick another color from the swatches. Then start drawing. Click the Selection tool. Make sure to lock the previous compound path. Then select all your drawings. Notice that the previous compound path is not selected because it's locked. On the Object tab, select Compound Path, then Make. Now lock the new compound path. Select the blob brush tool again, and pick another color from the swatches, then repeat the process until you make 5 different colors. Now unlock the objects. Always double-check if it's grouped properly as a compound path. By hiding and unhiding each object using the eye icon. Once done, go to the Object tab. Select Artboards. Then Fit to Artboard Bounds. Close Color tab. Now let's try to recolor using Illustrator. Select all the compound paths. Click the small color wheel icon. Click on Edit Active Colors. Click Link Harmony Colors. Select a point, then try to spin it to recolor the artwork. Once satisfied on the recolor, click OK. Deselect all the compound paths by clicking on the background. Go to the File tab. Click Save As. Select the SVG from the drop-down list of types. Then rename your file and click Save. A pop-up of SVG options should appear after. Click More Options. On CSS Properties drop-down list, select Presentation Attributes. Click OK. Now you have an SVG file. Now let's check if it's recolorable in Canva. Go to canva.com. Create a customized size of 500 by 500 pixels. Click Create New Design. Click the Uploads tab, Upload Media. Upload from device. Select the SVG file. And open. Select the uploaded element. Notice that it has 5 different colors. It means that it's recolorable. Let's try to recolor it. Go to Styles tab. Colors. And select any color theme. You can also try other themes. You can select any color from your element, and change the color to your liking. Let's use Canva to search for related keywords. Click Add Page. On the Elements tab, Search for the related title of your element. Choose an element from the results. Notice that it is also a recolorable element but has 4 colors in it. Click on the info. Show all the keywords. Keep on searching for more keywords from the results. And take some notes. Once you have a list of keywords, go to Contributor Hub. Click Select File. And select the SVG file. Then open. Add a title using from the notes. Add the artist's name. Now choose most relevant or related keywords. Make sure there's no doubled keywords. And always check your spelling. You can also add your brand keywords. Once done, click the I am the owner, and click Submit. Congratulations, you have submitted a paid item.